So, Mr. Srinivas, I know this is a surgical stainless steel pipe where you pass water through, and it's fascinating that this steel-looking device can bring about changes within minutes. How does that exactly happen? Because I know India is going to be like, "Bhai, ye to pipe hai. Kya kar sakta hai?"
Let me just take this, right? So let me address this first at a deeper science level before I come to something else, is what is happening inside the device. First thing in science is to understand in a normal day-to-day life, what is the least quanta of time that you always know?
Second.
1 second, right? Now, we know microsecond, there is a nanosecond. 2023 Nobel Prize for Physics was given to Pierre Agostini and team, right? Got a Nobel Prize for Physics. This is generation, they found out, so don't take me verbatim, of photonic pulses,
Okay.
right? In 1 attosecond. They captured it,
Okay.
right? So what is 1 attosecond? 1 followed by 18 zeros.
Okay.
So what is the amount of time we are talking about, right? So 1 followed by 18 zeros inside 1 second is where the changes are happening. This is where we are talking about the quantum world. And this is a Nobel Prize paper. But that is how nature has been. Science is just trying to figure it out. Maybe tomorrow they will say 25 zeros. It will go on, right?
So the reaction time.
Yeah, reaction time at a very deep level. Okay, that is how it is changing. So anything that is simple becomes easy, right? Oh, one stainless steel tube was doing, what is this? This has gone through 40 years of research. What I'm holding is not like yesterday I started something, just figured something out and came out something. 40 years of Krishna's life is what we are holding in hand today. And this is deep nature inside this. Now, what is that? If I have to explain the actual phenomenon, we call it double vortexing. So that is how in natural flows water behaves, right? So it's like we have not patented it, but it's like our proprietary technology. Double vortexing interacting with piezoelectric resonant materials, right? So these are again deep science. So when this water resonates with piezoelectric kind of material, then automatically this alignment happens. I've just summed it up in a very nutshell, but this is the deeper aspect. It has gone through a lot of studies of how water behaves in nature, and that is what. So essentially this is about managing flow properties, aligning with nature, to sum it up. But this is at a subatomic level, how this is done. Nature does it. So typically we call this quantum electrodynamics, and that is the natural aspect of QED we brought into the device here. So actually, if I have to sum this in one word, it is called biomimicry.
What's biomimicry?
So you are mimicking nature. Biomimicry,
Okay.
right? Bio is life, mimicry. So nature is life. Without nature, you are not there. You can call it elements of nature or panchabhutas or whatever you want to call it, right? So mimicking that is what the device does, because we have messed things up. So when you mimic nature, it naturally gets back to its original alignment.
Thank you for watching this far. It's been an amazing episode, and I'm so grateful to have you till the end. If you like this video, please share this video with your loved ones. Better still, gift me a subscribe, a like, or even a comment, and we'll come back to you.